Good afternoon. This is Philip Strebel, Senior Commodities Broker at R.J.O. Futures, giving you your weekly metals commentary here for Tuesday, September 24th. Looking at the metals, they've had kind of a wild ride, especially over the last week or so. Ever since we had the Fed announcement, things have really died down and fizzled out. The expectations for the Fed to come in and implement some kind of reduction to the quantitative easing plan is starting to gain some momentum, and gold prices are reflecting that. We've seen a sell-off here from about 1370 over about a week ago to less than the low here today was right around 1313. $1,300 is going to be a key level of support. 1290 is kind of this threshold line in the sand where I believe that if we trade below that, you'll start to see some larger players start to liquidate and short positions start to get established. We might have a small rebound on some of the talks here with Obama. He's been throughout the day, with the UN discussing some kind of actions to take against Syria. It seems like it's come off of, the front burner. It's still on the back burner, but now with him having the opportunity to speak in front of, the entire UN, he's really focused on it and he's bringing it back up to everyone's attention here on how serious the situation is and how some action needs to take place. So you did see crude oil prices start to recover on that. Gold prices also recovered. Silver prices in addition. Platinum, palladium, they're kind of in no man's land right now. Same thing with copper. We haven't seen much in the wake of automotive sales. There's been no real risk to any of the mines in South Africa recently as far as any kind of power outages. We haven't seen much of any disputes over any labor contracts at all. So those prices have just really been flat over the last few days. And copper prices, they're starting to find some kind of neutral zone right around 330 to the 325 area. A lot of that emphasis is on China. China economic data, it was better on Sunday night, but since then we haven't seen much action at all. So expect copper prices just kind of fade into the abyss right now, not do too much at all. Again, this is Philip Strebel with RGO Futures. My number is 1-800-438-4805. Remember that futures and option trading does involve risk of loss and it may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.